Hi everyone, I have created a house design that has two bedrooms. This house is spacious enough for two bedrooms. A very spacious living room area is available. In the front of the house, there is a car garage that can hold one car. In the middle of the house, I designed a rectangular garden. This garden is in the middle of the house but can be accessed from the front of the house. Besides the middle garden, there are a kitchen and a dining room area. At the back of the house, there is a long garden. We can access through a corridor that is between two bedrooms. This is a lawn garden with a few small trees to complement it.